Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paula and today I'll be making a 1950s inspired circle skirt. I hope you like it and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. For this skirt, I'll be working with a square of fabric that is the diameter of my waist plus 2 times the length of the skirt. The length of the skirt is 50 centimeters or 19.7 inches, but it really depends on how long you want your skirt to be. And the diameter is the measurement of the waist divided by pi. Make sure to have a little more fabric aside for the waistband. Fold your fabric in 4. Starting from the corner that has none of the endings, trace a quarter of a circle, which is the radius of your waist plus the length of the skirt. The radius is the half of the diameter of your waist measurement. Then, trace from the same corner the radius of your waist and cut, leaving some seam allowance. Fold the edge of the skirt and hem it loosely by hand so that it's easier to sew it later. Make sure to use a color of thread that goes well with the color of fabric you're using. For the lining, I'll be using a rectangle of fabric that has a length that is the diameter of the waist plus 2 times the length of the skirt, and the width is the radius of the waist plus 1 time the length of the skirt, as you can see on the diagram. Fold it in 2 and trace the diameter of your waist starting from the corner that has none of the endings. Trace the second quarter of a circle that is the diameter of your waist plus the length of the skirt starting from the same corner. This length can be a little shorter so that it's not visible when we put it together with the skirt. Cut, leaving some seam allowance. Pin both sides and sew them. Iron it open. For the waistband, I only want the opaque part of the fabric to be visible. The waistband should be a long rectangle that is the measurement of your waist plus a seam allowance by about an inch, depending on how wide you want the waistband to be. Put the outer fabric and the lining together and pin it around the waist. Both parts are on the right side. Pin the waistband to the skirt starting from where the zipper will be. If the waistband has a right side, as does mine, make sure that you pin it facing the fabric of the skirt. Sew it starting from where you started pinning. I'm using a 20 centimeters or 8-inch invisible zipper. Start by unrolling the teeth of the zipper and iron it flat. I pin together the fabric of the skirt and the lining around where the zipper will be. Trace a line where the zipper will be and rip open the lining following the seam. Once it's open, cut the fabric of the skirt following the line you traced earlier. Cut the excess of the waistband. Replace the pins by a light stitch on both sides. Open the zipper, turn it over, and stitch it to the fabric. Then, turn the other side twice and stitch it to the fabric. Sew as closely as you can to the teeth of the zipper. Do not go past the ending of the zipper. I'm using a zipper foot on my sewing machine. When you do the other side of the zipper, change the position of the foot. Cut the excess of the zipper. Tuck the end of the zipper in. Sew a straight line from a little over the end of the zipper to the end of the skirt and iron it on both sides. And we're done! Here's the final result. I hope you like it and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye!